Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm super excited to share with you my thoughts on this amazing casserole set that has been an absolute game changer in my cooking routine. First off, let's talk about the design. Just look at these sleek lines and classic finish. It's not only functional, but adds a touch of elegance to any dinner table. And the best part? The performance. This set distributes heat evenly, ensuring that your dishes are cooked to perfection every time. Plus, it retains heat exceptionally well, keeping your food warm until it's time to serve. Whether it's hearty stews, mouth-watering casseroles, or even baking, this set handles it all with ease. And cleaning up? A breeze. It's dishwasher safe, making post-meal cleanup hassle-free. In conclusion, if you're looking for a versatile, durable, and stylish casserole set that elevates your cooking experience, look no further. This set has earned its place as a kitchen essential in my home, and I highly recommend it to anyone who loves to cook and entertain. Trust me, it's a game changer,